Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. For this example we're told to find the average value of the function below on the interval from -1 to 1, and the function we're given is the function f of x equals 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus x plus 2. Just to review, the average value of a function over the interval from a to b is equal to 1 over the length of the interval, which is 1 over b minus a, times the definite integral from a to b of the function f of x dx. So in this case, the average value of the function over the interval from -1 to 1 is equal to 1 over 1 minus 1 times the definite integral from -1 to 1 of the function f of x, which is equal to 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus x plus 2 dx. And this is equal to 1/2 times 4 times the definite integral from -1 to 1 of the function x cubed dx plus 6 times the definite integral from -1 to 1 of the function x squared dx plus the definite integral from -1 to 1 of the function x dx plus 2 times the definite integral from -1 to 1 of the constant function 1 dx. And now we take the antiderivative of each term and evaluate them from -1 to 1. So this is equal to 1/2 times 4 times x to the power of 4 over 4 evaluated from -1 to 1 plus 6 times x cubed over 3 evaluated from -1 to 1 plus x squared over 2 evaluated from -1 to 1 plus 2 times x evaluated from -1 to 1. Simplifying this expression, we get that this is equal to 1/2 times x to the power of 4 evaluated from -1 to 1 plus 2 times x cubed evaluated from -1 to 1 plus x squared over 2 evaluated from -1 to 1 plus 2 times x evaluated from -1 to 1. And this is equal to 1/2 times 1 to the power of 4 minus 1 to the power of 4 plus 2 times 1 cubed minus -1 cubed plus 1 squared over 2 minus -1 squared over 2 plus 2 times 1 minus 1. And this is equal to 1/2 times 0 plus 2 times 2 plus 0 plus 2 times 2. which gives us 1/2 times 8, which is equal to 4. So therefore, the average value of the function over the interval from -1 to 1 is 4. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.